5/17, driver's side front. Removing the rubber caps. Popping the spring on the front. T30 for the rotor. What size?
7 Allen.
7 Allen. Passenger front.
A waste of pads.
8 and 21.
21.
Past 7 days, how many hours do you think people watched a day?
I don't know.
29.
Oh, wow. Pretty good.
Taking off the driver and passenger side rotors. Always pull the stickers off the rotors. Installing the passenger front rotor. Held down with a T30. Installing the 21s. So you loosen both and just pull the one just so you can rock the rotor in?
Yeah.
Hopefully by next year we got 60 hours a day.
Okay.
That'd be good. Tightening the driver's side. 21 mil. Installing the new pads. Really? Is that a base model thing?
No, it's a Passat thing.
Really, on a Passat?
Mostly on Passat, yeah.
Is there a reason?
I don't know.
$7 mil. Slider bolts. Put your caps in. Installing the spring.
Yeah, for that, yeah.
Installing the pads. Install the caps. Together. Installing the passenger side spring for the caliper.